Oh, didn't see you there. Today, we're going to be installing exhaust on this Chevy Cruze mom car. Alright, 2014. We got a BORLA, alright? And then, so we're going to start by just throwing it at it. Hopefully that just does something.
Anybody got money? We'll just start throwing money at it.
Okay.
That's how you do everything.
Stuff's around here.
I got $1.
Alright, today guys, so we got Jason's Chevy Cruze.
Show him Jason first.
Jason, he's that guy over there.
Fuckhead.
Say that. And we got Tristan with us today, vaping.
Oh shit.
Okay, so and of course, we have.
What up?
I didn't even say your name yet.
Okay. What up?
What up? We got Jeremy, and we got Carly with us. So we are going to be working on putting this exhaust on today because Jason bought it for whatever reason. I don't know why you bought a BORLA exhaust for your Chevy Cruze, but
It's an American car, all right.
American car. Because American car.
American car. Yeah, American. You don't want to put that domestic with that import. You know, it doesn't work that well.
Oh, so you don't want a Tome?
So it's an HE.
Yeah.
Right, Dom?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just piss like 400 people off.
Probably. Anyway, so we're gonna get it jacked up. We'll do a time lapse of that probably, and get the exhaust switched out. Should be fun. Peace.
I just want to sit down.
Nope, he's stripping it.
Well,
Hey, is it the right size this time?
No, it's not.
You haven't got a perfect fit in my ass. But when we're actually like to the part where we're actually gonna be talking and stuff, we can't swear because then I have to fucking cut it out because YouTube's fucking monetization.
Oh yeah.
that's holy.
Just keep the old gasket on.
Because I'm a holy person.
Hi.
So it's all done there?
Yeah, it's all done up here.
Okay.
Yes, Dad.
So it just slides out.
Ooh, yes, Poppy. Yes, Poppy.
Poppy! That's his name in my phone.
It's Brandon.
Okay, well, since we're done there, we gotta pull it all out down here.
So you should take it off the bushings? Or...
Yeah.
Let me get it there.
Square. Square.
Here, you really just...
Well, now it's off there, we can probably get back. This way. Hey. You got that?
Yes.
What kind of fucking bushing is
What kind of fuck? I don't know, that's Chevy.
That's the one I had in my Jeep.
That's the one I'm with.
It is.
Type of fucking cancerous shit.
Cancerous shit, yeah? Is that right?
Where's the ratchet? Huh?
Whoa. So you don't have to cut it.
No, you don't.
People on Amazon are stupid. They're like, yeah, we had to cut it out to fucking make it fit. We had to cut the other exhaust out. That's when we would get it out. I was like, oh, I have to cut it out. I was like, I want to keep it just in case.
No, that's not about cutting this exhaust.
Thank Jesus.
We're good, doctor. Doctor boy.
Can we start it like straight pipe? Like,
Oh my god.
Andrew?
Dude, is that even a fucking question?
Okay,
of course
thank
we're
God.
gonna start it.
I was like, I
out
want to
that.
hear it so bad.
About to be like, right, Brandon?
It's like quieter.
It's like it's a Prius hybrid. Just
That's what I
Is it
said.
on?
That's
Is
what I
it
said
on?
about my
You read
car.
it?
I was like, dude, it's like after a while, like once my car is warm, it sounds like a Prius that backfires a little bit. It's like,
because the Prius has open ECU headers because of the batteries. The motherboard headers are open.
How retarded kids dance at prom?
Dude, that's fucked up, dude. Talking about retarded people? Fuck.
yeah.
Oh yeah? Well, you better apologize to my brother right now.
Let me talk. Wait.
I feel like I really need sunglasses. Just to
Yeah.
fucking-
Did you not see it when you went to the bathroom?
Oh, I didn't know it was your brother. I thought that was like a cousin or something.
No, it is my brother, dude. Fucking jackass. You should not go outside and just go say I'm sorry, sir.
No, I'm afraid of it.
You're afraid, huh? Now you can make fun of him, but you,
I was making fun of him.
That doesn't matter. Yeah, he's pretty cool. You can make a cup of noodles.
yeah.
What?
What kind of shit are you? Why is that?
Yeah.
How many bench presses can you do?
One muffler.
Sick.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you gonna get that off? Just just like kind of like Houdini it around the axle.
Should we just drop the axle?
You don't need it.
I just take off one side.
Hold it.
Okay. Well, I mean,
Yeah, I don't know how that muffler is gonna fit through there.
It's like they built the exhaust around the car, like the car was built around the exhaust.
Car
Just
under
like,
exhaust.
yeah, just like it was just built around it. Like okay, let's just do it this way, guys.
That's what they're making the floor.
All right, so GM's retarded, and the only way to get the exhaust out
isn't that your
is
brand
to. Can you shut your mouth, sir? I'm trying to make a video here. So GM's retarded, and one way to get the exhaust out, I don't know if you guys can see that, is to cut it out because it goes above the rear straight axle, whatever you want to call it. And so the only way to get it out is to cut it. We're gonna cut it like right there because it's a factory exhaust in case you need to take it back in for anything. So we're gonna go get Sawzall or grinder and cut the exhaust off. So we will get back to you guys when we get that. Peace.
Okay.
He's like, what's that? I'm like, oh my god.
I still don't fucking know.
I give up. I give up.
Me too. I do give up. All right, guys. So we're back. Got the grinder. So we're going to set this up, cut the exhaust off, so we can get it out of there and put the new BORLA in, and probably start it up without the exhaust on there, because
I mean, we can do that right now. Do that right now.
no, we'll cut it off and then we'll start it. All right, so we will be right back in a minute. Peace. So now we're gonna start it up without the exhaust on there, because of course, why not? That's just what everybody does, right? You wanna hear your car straight pipe. Wait for the oil to circulate.
Fuck the oil.
Well, now you voided the warranty, so you have to be careful with the car.
happy as fuck.
Made you happy as fuck. Barking.
American rice?
Yes, this is the American.
American rice?
American rice.
Yes.
American rice?
Alright, now it's time to bolt this shit back on.
Yep. So now we're gonna get the exhaust back on, so we'll get time lapse of that as well.
Lower it as it started, and then turn it off, and then jack it back up, and then lower it back down, and then start it and get out of here. Jason's gonna start it up.
Hold on, Jason.
Hold on, Jason. Jesus Christ. Start it now.
Sounds louder, but
All that work for it to sound.
just for a purr.
Oh my god.
Okay, give some gas.
Hold on. Yeah.
Please, please.
How mad are you right now?
You still
It
gotta,
sounded cooler when there's no exhaust.
You still gotta break it in.
You still got to bring it in.
Let's drive it.
Break it in.
I'm not actually something messy.
Alright, well, you wanna end this? You wanna end this shit?
No, we'll go for a drive, see what it sounds like.
Well, I mean. Doesn't even.
I think there's more room in the freaking
Because Jason used to. Speed up!
Everyone in?
God, I hope so.
straddle like this. Straddle like this.
I can't.
What'd you just hit?
So the
Did it scrape?
We'll find out.
Don't you know how to back up when you have a low car? You're supposed to like
it's not
angle
low.
it. Yeah, angle
it's
it.
not low, it's stock height. Did you guys put the on the right way?
Yeah, we put it on the right way.
Yeah, Borla's on the bottom.
There's Borla on both sides.
Yeah, there's Borla on both sides.
There's people.
You should ask them if they like your muffler.
Do you like his muffler? Easy there, killer.
I'll let this car go. Just look at him. He's like, she's struggling, dude. She's old.
She's struggling because she's old.
Yeah.
Okay, now easy. Angle, angle.
Okay, go straight, go straight.
Angle.
No, straight.
I don't,
Yeah. I don't know. Is that on right?
I think you guys put it on the.
I think it's on the wrong side.
Hold on.
We're gonna cut it right here.
We're cutting off this bad boy right here.
So
Cutting it
should
off
I,
right
should I
there.
cut off the bracket? No, I want the bracket, huh?
No, leave the bracket.
So I'm gonna cut it right there.
Yeah, you can cut it right there.
Put off right behind the
All right. All right. Tristan, give it a couple revs. Not bad. Not bad. All right, you're good. Not bad. Not bad for a day's work. You know, we got this exhaust on. We got this exhaust off. You know, Brandon, you want to end this? Want to end this out?
Yeah, I'll finish it out.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're finishing out this video today. Seems like every time that we do exhaust, everybody else wants to do exhaust too. So we did the exhaust on the Cruze, and then we did the exhaust on the GM or the Chevy, whatever you want to call it. And then we took the muffler back off on the Subaru because we had to put it back on. Because in case you didn't know, if you own a Subaru and you take the muffler off, it voids the warranty. So make sure you guys, if you guys do mess with any of that, throw it back on before you take it in for anything. So Dom's right here. So make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and we will keep you updated on the giveaway, because we will be giving away a GoPro, and all you have to do to be entered into that is to like our videos and subscribe. Peace. Anyway, we're gonna go to Dutch Bros, get some drinks. So peace.